Working on my 1979 G10 van 350. I had a Mercedes fuel tank. The van didn't come with a fuel tank. It's underneath the back. So I hooked this one up. Electric fuel pump. I got a shut-off valve. I wired it. What I did is now I have a starter button and a fuel pump switch. Whatever's going on with the electric, I don't know. And I took the battery cables out of the front. You cannot get a battery down in there without almost hitting the side post, trying to get it out through the grill. So now I've got them, just unhooked them and drug them in here. They're long enough. The battery will sit right here, just like my other van. Cut a little notch for them to go through, but I ordered an air cleaner assembly. So now I've got a fuel pump on-off switch with the fuse, a push-button starter switch for the solenoid on the starter. The key works on when you turn the key on, it starts, so that's one electrical problem. But I put a new filter in inside the carburetor, so I'm not worried about a fuel filter. I can add one right there, wherever. So that's what I did today, a Mercedes SL fuel tank. Working good in my van, free.